491 and 0241 992 490. Se uhwehwe SB Anointed Automobile Services echiakwanya. Yawo adjacent Christ Apostolic Church, Ebrew Epiapim. Fa petrol and diesel car in some nyina bedan na yebetwa edumapa ama weni aso.
You know, one bucket of Flamingo paint is equal to several other paint brands on the market. Flamingo paint, Papa Chain paint, bia. Flamingo paint, superior hiding. Flamingo paint, superior coverage. Flamingo paint, superior durability. Flamingo paint, simply superior.
1xBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio. Yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so. Now bet me dinkuni. Register with 1xbet.com.gh. Na use promo code jackpotsGhana. Na chawo bet. 1xBet ye nkunim die ho safwa. 1xBet who say nkunimdifo. Gambling ho atru ti twane wa hwe ye. Nyema wa wundi mfie duo. Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum.
Fufuo Festival Jack for how now to baby na yen copy pono so Okuma Radio 97.1 2023 ekwapo kwapim odurano for the first time Okuma Edi Fufuo Festival no Edi bro okwap man nyina ebeye dey style bia bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free you hear eye wankasa wasanka dwumadi nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animo ekwapo ekwapim on the 1st of October 2023, the brand anopa no what till you drop. Bibiani na pese bia wonim pay for twetwe komo ana pese to stand no kata do ton ne ma bia betimi pay for twetwe komo e wo 0549012454 0549012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo ba mi ni fufuo style bia
El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai.
Hello, this is Frank Edu Asare, your anchor on the show Praise Zone on the Common Radio 97.1. On the show, we serve you with carefully selected and Holy Spirit-filled songs to encourage, motivate, and set you in prayer. On Praise Zone, we have a segment for testimony at Dancy Diebre. Come and share with others. Also on the segment, we have Kids Bible quizzes, Kids Memory Verse recitals, Kids Tree Bible readings. Remember, this program will be live on our Facebook and YouTube channel. You also have the chance to send in messages, to call into the program, and to request a song for a loved one. Why don't you join us to praise God together on every Sunday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Yenshia na yentronto nyame yenanase na oye na nadoi ewo hoda. Why ye bia mayenshia every Sunday from 6 to 8 p.m. See you there.
El Shaddai, El Shaddai, El Elyon Adonai. Age to age, you're still the same by the power of
Tontonte yenum nsane efadwen ne efadwen mpa say na nanum se brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanum dudo so se de na dudo bua ma nanum enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tonti na 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 se mennom tonti na 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi ɛyɛ hahama ɛne yɛde ayɛ na DHC ɛna aframa na yɛ kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ne apɔmuden nko a
wokɔ pharmacy ana baabi eto nnuro bi a wobɛnya tonti na 74 yi bi atɔ
T74 yi ɛnyɛ ma ɔba a wafa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufoɔ ana sɛ obi a onya mfie dumienu
ɛtufon frɛ 050-162-8931 ɛna 0246-073-498 FDA agye adwadie nkratoɔ yi atom
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bag.
Kona yem kofa manene nkomo eno nso no emfa ntudwa emfa emma yen chase enso no emfa free the UEFA Champions League num sanwata matches no dodo na etume call so enso no Champions League no mo na eno adam results no say ne sifa ekoye AC Milan enso no tumetena fie o Giuseppe Mieza San Siro atonta enso the friend Newcastle amamudi boni after 90 minutes no eno AC Milan 0 Newcastle United enso no 0 Young Boys enso no Switzerland eton sam the friend RB Leipzig amamudi boni ma Leipzig egochi Young Boys sent by 3 goals to 1 Branton D and so no Eddie Sesko otumia pogo adema Leipzig Bobo Kona Edemon Komonyina nganso pana final 2 Celtic and so no 0 Barcelona and so tenafi etmeche Royal Antwerp and so no by 5 goals to 0 Joao Felix po 2 goals Robert Lewandowski ba kopiso ana finso no Gavi and so no Boko and so no sa game no Atletico Madrid away against Lazio no Lazio 1 Atletico Madrid and so no 1 Samsung Man City 3 Red Star Belgrade and so no 1 Abrante Julian Alvarez SA 2 goals and afinso no Rodrigo Cascante and so the bakom yetume piso and so na the Man City team no Shakhtar Donetsk 1 FC Porto and so no 3 UPM Porto and so na Katia Nessa Mrante tumise goals no and so no tume Porto Nessa Nyasem Kumakra Nessa Mranta Odona and tume po goals no and so to me Porto team na yeren komano eba Branton din and so nadia ye Mediterranean as usual not me and say the presence and so no I will give ma yere san komano and so no bro and so no Jumedi no so yanko Samsung Paris Saint-Germain and so to me Tenafio Park the Princess and so to Borussia Dortmund and so an academy no and they no Dortmund so no and to me anti Kylian Mbappe Lutin at me say 2 goals Samsung I say 1 goal and a Branton in the Achafa Kimi and so the Bako episode and so that very much PSG Bobo Kona na matches and also no to Jano and so no any mami wura muna me fan na matches ni na emfenguo and so no emfa emma dia na se na matches akuku dam no and also betimi akoso 4:45 no uko piemu and so na take dia na se Rams Park in Istanbul ay Galatasaray etnafie and so na tomato inside the Fred Copenhagen no mo so dia boy ni Samsung na 4:45 krona no aye Real Madrid ɛnso bɛtena field Santiago Yesta Penepao na ɔno nso ane ɛyɛ Hertha Berlin ɛnso no ɛtumi anasɛ Union Berlin ɛtumi de abɔni ukopie mo Emirates Sports Stadium Arsenal the Gunners ɛnso bɛto ne nsa ɛda frɛ Phillips Sporting Eindhoven ɛyɛ PSV Eindhoven na ɔmo nso no ɛtumi ɛde abɔni ɛnti ɛnɛ mu mma nneɛma no nso wɔ Facebook hɔ na ɛsɛ momfa ntoto so na manfo hu matches no sɛnea no nso bɛsima akɔ afa on Facebook na yɛnhu ne ɛkɔ ɛnti no Facebook for momfa ntoto so na nneɛma nkɔ nkan wɔ Facebook na ɛsɛ biribi ani so saa ɛnti no ano nso ɛno no san so na wokɔpie mu dia na ɛsɛ Portugal mɛmu no ɛnɛ no ɛyɛ Pobo Kɔndeɛ de Benfica ɛtena fi wɔ Stadio de Luz na ɛsɛ ɔno nso no na ɛsɛ Stadio de Luz ɛwɔ yɛ Lisbon na Benfica ɛnso ɛne Salzburg ɛnso na timi ɛde apɔni san so na Braga 7 PM no ɛne Napoli ɛde ɛpɔ Real Sociedad ɛnso bɛtena fi wɔ Spain na afei nso no Real Arena ɔno nso no San Sebastian no ɛtumi ɛto nsa ɛde afrɛ International Milan na ɔmo nso atumi ɛde abɔni Sevilla ɛwɔ Sanchez Ramos Pizjuan ɔno nso ɛne ɛyɛ RC Lyon ɛnso no atumi ɛde abɔni na ɛsɛ ɛno adeɛ na wɔde to so ne adeɛ a na ɛsɛ wei no nyɛ yi koraa yɛnkɔ anim na afei nso no nkɔmɔ awotɔ yɛntumi ɛmfa ntoa so ɛnso no ɛmfa ma bɛpie mu ɛwɔ reactions ahodoɔ a ɛno nso atumi kɔ so bare nɛ mekae sɛ Europa Conference League no one game ɛnso bɛkɔ so Lille Metropole 2:30 ɛnɛ wiam ɔno nso ɛnɛ ɛyɛ Jubilant ɛnso no atumi ɛde abɔni a yɛde saa nkɔmɔ no nyinaa ɛnso no atumi de ato dwa ɛnso no atumi ɛde ama nti na ɛsɛ nkɔmɔ no ɛnso ɛno no na ɛsɛ mo a monkyerɛ focus ate asɛ momma full concentration na yɛntumi ɛnkɔ anim ɛnso no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛnti ɛno nso ɛno no meyɛwura mu ɛwɔ nsɛm foforom na afei nso no yɛmfa reactions no ɛnso no ɛmfa nto dwam ɛnso no ɛmfa ma deɛ na ɛsɛ no ada after the game no coaches ne players ahodoɔ no ɛnso no ɛtumi akasaeɛ ɛnso no ɛtumi ade fa ɛyɛ games a anaasɛ matches ɛno ada ɛno nso no ɛtumi akɔ so no ɛnso ɛmu na wopie mu ɛnso no ɛwɔ yɛ Pobo Kɔndeɛ ɛnso de Barca katia na ɛsɛ coaches no ɛtumi akasa ɛnso no de fa games ahodoɔ no ɛnso no ahomame nwura mu na afei nso memfa coaches no reactions no ɛmfa nto dwa ɛnso no nyɛmfa ma deɛ coach ɛnso no din ɛnso de Xavi Hernandez ɛno ata ɔno nso ɛtumi kasaeɛ after the game sɛ Barca ɛnso no ɛtumi akyi ɛyɛ Royal Antwerp ɛpɔn by 5-0 yɛnte Xavi Hernandez.
It's always difficult to play those kind of matches because the pressure, I don't know, I think it's always difficult to play those kind of matches because the pressure is there. Everybody said that we need or we have to win every single match, and that's difficult when the small details are so also official pressure.
Ntino anene nkɔmɔ ɛne no ɛyɛ Xavi Hernandez ɛno atam after the game no ɔno nso de san nkɔmɔ no ɛnso no atumi de gyina Ike Gundogan ɔno nso yɛ Barca player ɔno nso de nkɔmɔ kakra ɛnso no atumi de tutwa after sɛ Barca ɛnso no atumi akyi ɛyɛ Royal Antwerp ɛnso na bɔɔl no ɛyɛ by ɛyɛ 5-0 Ike Gundogan ne nsɛm nie.
For my players and my defenders. But like I always say, we are in this together. Being part of this big club is something great. Manchester United is something club is huge. I'm happy to be here and place, but it's not something.
And you know, I know why Ike Gundogan. I don't so in summer. I don't so at me. Area to try. Yansu yatimi ariama yatiefo. ɛnso na dwumadie no ɛnso no ɛso but ma me nwura mu na yɛntwɛ ɛwonom sɛ nɛ Arsenal ɛnso no gyina kono na ɛsɛ Arsenal game ɛnɛ ɔno nso no ɛbɛtumi ɛnso no apɔ ɛnso no wɔn ɛsɛ Arsenal ɛnso ɛne yɛ PSV Eindhoven ɛna ɛde ɛbɔ ani na coach ne din ɛnso no anasa Brentford ne din ɛnso no ɛde yɛ Gabriel Jesus ɛnso no ɛtumi kasa akra after say no mu kopie man aso mo tena fie enso no Emirates na ni Arsenal enso ni PSV enso no atimi ade aboyani.
Champions League is not the same. I think if we think opposite, we are wrong because we are playing for Arsenal. You know, we have to believe, and then we have to trust the teammates. teammates, the manager, the club.
Enti anene nkoma ne no abrante Gabriel Jesus enso na tumi area to chop padam mame nsanwura mu enso no awaye amanu amatches ne bia course no na se coach de ma Paris Saint-Germain Luis Enrique ono so tumi ne nkoma kakra enso tumi dia to jasenra game no na ne ono hwehwe ene se ne PSG enso no ebetumi nyankonimdie over aye Borussia Dortmund yenti nkoma Luis Enrique enso no etumi ere tuja.
I don't know. I think it's always difficult to play those kind of matches because the pressure is there. Everybody said that we need or we have to win every single match, and that's difficult when the small details are so.
Also, official press and
also in Koma. And then coach Luis Enrique, head coach, and so to me adema PH Pobokono, and also to me adi tuja, Yansu yet me adema yet fona man Joseph Pep Guardiola, and so de Kakra, Eli to after some Man City, and so to me rest up grade, a poem by 5 goals and as 3 goals to 1. Pep Guardiola, I can start the players, performance.
So aggressive without the ball. He's a guy like had the feeling like some players like Cole Palmer and McAtee and Riyad left and the other one. He will have a lot of minutes. You have to be ready to use it. Sorry? Now we have Nottingham Forest, 2 Champions League winners. So they have 1 more Champions League than us. So. This is the truth, I'm not joking.
Also, that's for
Command Neno, Joseph Pep Guardiola, and soon after the game against rest up grade. And also to me the 2 Chana Emre Can and Rata, Ejana said captain at 2 to my Borussia Dortmund, a Bromusuko Park the Princess, and any Yaman Konkai and Famono Emre Can. And come out the 2 Jonathan Oshe penalty referee, I am Manzano, it's my GM PSM. Or did you say more papa?
To be honest, I didn't see it now on the replay, but on the pitch, I felt like he plays with the hand the ball, but he's like falling down, That's why I don't know where he can put his arm, and that's what I said to the referee, but he said it's sure handball.
Wayne Brandt, friend Emre Can, and I don't know to me captain Dortmund Pobokono. I don't swear they are 2 just self penalty, and I tell referee Jeremy PH now. Then said and conkind barane Ukopiamo our Lian Tarina, a Bayern Munchen, and our friends from Manchester United, and I'm swear the Papuanina, Manu Kwako 2, our German in a goalkeeper, and my Manchester Andre Onana, and also Koma Kakra, or the 2 job anyway.
For my players and my defenders, but like I always say, we are in this together. Being part of this big club is something great. Manchester United is an amazing club, it's huge. I'm happy to be here and place, but it's not something.
Anthony and a brand friend Andre Onana, and also in Coma, and also to media tucha. And so I yeri mao on a command 97.1 young Ramon Semfu from na Fensian fan common beam and fan Twaso and so then fan Madiano de Robert Lewandowski and so to me say Godima Pasa our Brana UEFA Champions League game no and so no where Cosona a Brantano and rather after say Goni Pino what me about Tosum a Makuma Kumiensa. 3rd player, also to say 100 goals in a UEFA Champions League in Tenrada, Robert Lewandowski, it me say 100 a year goal in a UEFA Champions League, and also yet to me, Ediama yet for us European competition, and also yet to me, Ronaldo, or no, didn't Ronaldo say 144 European a year competition goals, Samson Lionel Messi. And also to say 132 in Tenrata, Robert Lewandowski, it me say 100 a year UEFA Champions League goals, and also come yet to media to jam, and so no, at media my Fuera Soccer Champions League in Common, Odum Sene, Real Madrid and so no 445 no. ɛtena fie ɛwɔ Santiago Bernabeu na ɔno nso no atumi no ɛyɛ Berlin Boboko no ɛnso atumi ɛde abɔ ni na Madrid players no ɛne yɛsɛ ne complaint aba Madrid players na complain sɛ turf no pitch na ɔmobɔ so Bernabeu no yɛsɛ pitch no so ɛden yɛsɛ hard pitch na yɛsɛ ɔmo gyina so a na yɛsɛ so ɛdiden de ɔsraide kura na yɛsɛ ne kotodwa anim ɛworɔ ne adeɛ a na yɛsɛ players na complain akyɛ ɔmo aka kyɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ pitch no ankɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo nte sɛ bade mpanyinfoɔ nso aka kyɛ Madrid players no sɛ ɔmo nya abotrɛ ɛna ɔmo bɔ na complain ɛba nyame yɛ adom a weekend ɔmɛsesa turf no ɛnso atumi de ama Madrid players no ɛno nso ne nkɔma abɛto twa yɛde ama ɛtiefoɔ no João Felix ɛno ada aberante no nso atumi awini most valuable player ɛnso no ɛwɔ Champions League game a Barca ɛnso ne Royal Antwerp bɔɔyɛ nti no ada official ɛyɛ man of the match award no between Barca ne Royal Antwerp no ɛnso atumi akɔ de ma João Felix a yɛde san kɔma no ɛnso no atumi de ato twa ɛnso no de ama ɛtiefoɔ saa basobɔ no aberante no ɛnso atumi agye na meda so wɔ Barca no aberante ɛfɛ no Julius Kounde ɛno ada ɛnso no ɛne no aberante no taakye down ɛnso no ɛwɔ yɛ Catalonia kuro no mu no wotwa ne dressing na no ɔden aberante no nim dressing monkɔ Facebook na monkɔhwɛ aberante Julius Kounde ne dressing ɛno ada ɔno nso no etumi ade baeɛ no na ɛsa no ɔden pa ɛnti yɛsɛ no ada wopɛ best dressed player ɛno ada aberante Julius Kounde ɔno nso no ɛna otumi ahwini yɛ sɛ best dressed player ɛno ada nti ɛno ada Julius Kounde wɔn nso no atumi fa no ho pa aberante no guy masa ɔyɛ guy pa nti no kɔ Facebook na afei nso no kɔra akɔhyɛ Kounde ne dressing ɛno ada ɔno nso atumi ade wura mu ɛnso na Barca game no mu mame mfi Barca menkɔpie ma Man City yɛsɛ no ada aberante a ne din ɛnso ɔde Rodrigo Cascante ɛno ada aberante ne sɛnsi fam ɔdi agorɔ papa de ma Man City ɛnti no man of the match award no ɛno against Restal Belgrade no aberante a ne din ɛnso ne Rodri yɛsɛ Rodrigo Cascante ɔno nso atumi akye saa basobɔdeɛ no sɛ man of the match award a ɛno nso atumi akɔ so between Man City ana afei nso no ɛyɛ Restal Belgrade yɛde san kɔmɔ no nyinaa ɛnso de ato twa ɛnso na de ama na Bernardo Silva nso yɛ player ɛnso de ma Man City ɛno ara just after 26 minutes no aberante ne de Bernardo Silva Portuguese international no etimi prayer Man City akakye ama yɛyi ne firi mu na Jose Pep Guardiola confirm ɔsɛ aberante Bernardo Silva ɛyɛ ade a bɛyɛ na wɔtwe kakra aberante Bernardo Silva ɔno nso ne ntumi nsia kan ɛmfama Man City ne titira ne weekend game a Man City and Nottingham Forest abɛbɔ ɛnya de aberante Bernardo Silva ɔno nso bɛtumi asi akan ɛnso no atumi de ama Man City boboko no ɛnti confirmation aba sɛ Bernardo Silva after sɛ no ada aberante no so piki injury against Restal Belgrade no ne coach a ne din ɛnso ne Jose Pep Guardiola ɛnso atumi aba abɔnten abɛ confirm sɛ nya de over the weekend aberante ne din ɛnso no ɛde Bernardo Silva ɔno nso bɛtumi asi akan ɛnso no atumi de ama Man City team no ɛno nso ne nkɔmɔ no sɛdeɛ sifa ɛnso ti a yɛde ato dwa ɛnso na deɛ ama ɛtie fo yɛka Man City nkɔmɔ no maame mfiri ɔno afei nso no menkɔpie ma Manchester United goalkeeper ne deɛ de Andre Onana aberante no aka sɛ ɔsɛ ɛnyɛ yise sɛ woyɛ goalkeeper na woba bɛ replace David De Gea ɔsɛ ɛnyɛ yise koraa wotwa aberante no ne performance ɔde free Inter bɛbi Man United a na expectations rɛ high ɛsiane sɛ De Gea wohwɛ nneɛma wɔmmɛki wɔ Manchester United team no no Onana ɛba bɛ replace no na ɔsɛ ɛnyɛ yise tie wɔ describing sɛ ɛnyɛ yise ɔsɛ it's not easy to replace ɛyɛ David De Gea nti ɛno nso no ɛne Onana nkɔmɔ na Onana na sɛ wɔanum dada sɛ ɛnyɛ yise David De Gea ne reflex sɛ good nti no wabɛyi aso ɔhyɛ na ne yɛbɛhu sɛ ɔnso no woyɛ good anaa wonyɛ good nti no ande Onana ko Onana asɛm na mode Casemiro ɛne na mu ne adeɛ ei suba ɛna deɛ ɔma no deɛ minim o meko Onana na ɛsɛ yɛ ɔmo de ɛyɛ ayi Arsenal ne Jules Kounde ne adeɛ na ne na mu ei mo ni di ana so mami wura bo mi na mi kɔ wie nsam no ɛnso na wɔ ha Yamin Yamal ɛno ada aberante no nso atumi making the first Champions League appearance ɛnso no atumi de ma Barca team no ɛno ada Yamin Yamal from bench atumi Bobby ɛnso de ma Barca way amana kɔ the second youngest player ever to appear in the UEFA Champions League after some Dortmund apprentice friend Yusefa Mukoko and so not to me making a debut, Yamin Yamal at my second youngest player ever. So what to me PMO out the UEFA Champions League number and also Yadiama Kurano 17 years and also let me dear Yadisan Commonina and so Nadi Tucha and so Nadiamana Tiba Kotua Akasa or say I know prayer the fee and quite on Kakra Kraban and pipe ball and so I said over 2010 now face no on also to return to Real Madrid now face what be see a kind and so to the amount of Madrid goalkeeper Tobacco to common on or to a prayer now so in pipe or Pompey Sir Branton on so over tono now face what to China Madrid Tibno now face UEFA Champions League La Liga no or no Tobacco to and so to Genemaso as a kind and Madrid Pobocono and also in Koma if you by Yadia Tucha and so that my team for a medicine of Maminti and so our Man U coach the day Eric Ten Hag wakasa or say a branch of Ramos Highland team Ramos Highland no or say a branch of the Bayern them say proud on home and to fin or recover if you not try to be fixing into Man United team no more into Munya but Trem Famano most against Arsenal against Brighton a branch and modern ball Ekon Kai and Ten Kakakra or social talent a branch in Ukraine a big papa and Ube Yadama Manchester United Sir Branton in Ramos Highland or not to be to General Kai and so no to media Man United into head coach and if Dean Eric Ten Hag Eka or Sumunya but Trem Fama Pranteno and Kakram and Anoma I don't know so and to the bit of far and Brantia yem Ramos Highland into Osram Manu for the Samunya Botre and Sorum and Famano and also in Koma Abetuja Eric Ten Hag and Sorum at me at the Atuja Barane Man U Manchester United and so and a Payan and a pop our year Allianz Arena. The last time a Man U and so Echo Pima Allianz Arena no now che Bayern players in Libya goalkeeper Manuel Neuer David Alaba Jerome Boateng Philip Lam, Samson Abe Pima, Abrante Thomas Muller, Maro Gotza, Samson Frank Ribery, Robin Mo, and I feel Maro Manzuki Chimunina. It means the Academy Bayern Intino. I said, ne, I'm paying big super, but Nancy, ne, I'm paying big drop, papa, Allianz Arena. Hey, Harry Kane, Leroy Sani, Serge Gnabry, Jamel Musiala, Thomas Muller, Uban Finfima, Leon Goretzka. That's Joshua Kimmich. Hey! I use so many. Zuba, I want to some fancy. Come on.
Boss, me hoarding. It's also hoarding.
Yamia Tom, me what thing, Papa said about Bonnie Ataso.
It is radiasi. So be aboko.
Yamia Tom said, Kediampo. I'm a far attending phone coin on your reform ball of CD. Yamia Tom,
it is radiasi. Now, and your point of fire.
I have a coffee.
Now, coffee no fire because
I'm a coffee. I'm going to be.
And I because me Susu say one nantem.
Someone nantem, but I didn't just say me call baby.
Oh, that round time, bang.
Oh, so bad.
Because me whom
now whom you old antem. Now also nantem whom you old.
Oh, that's super. Me solitude now. Me ya bad say because you know.
Okay.
And I'm who's if answer now call.
Oh, baby, I won't do your hobby. And you know, some man now accuse me there.
Super band, yaba, but another dear. I know day.
Oh, I saw I go power. Oh, so I go.
What I say? Message about
GM the Aba.
Oh, money. You tell money.
I'm coming.
What man nante? One nante, but few wouldn't have few are now bomb pie.
If you India, me a one, I'm a TV feet and I'm boning.
Now bomb pie will figure crack. By one day, Babu can pie bomb who made tobacco in Chemunsia. A brave by a point you might be do fee, Abba bomb pie, but in pie be on my young pie, papa.
I send you more.
Bible and young pie.
Oh,
dear, no. Because I'm round pie now when I said, I
know that Tifiana.
Yeah? That's a minute coffee.
And I mean, we have feel so cool.
And I'm so cool with you.
And in a DMB.
No bende.
You are, what's that?
Maybe you can have my daily message.
I say, how I go sleep. But now I just mean, why are you? I mean, go be out. Me, me rough here. I don't know. I difficult to me PBM. Yeah, because but the man of park of him, that time now, who pia,
okay. Yeni baby akwa edwume. Bende. Ba super mama chi akosia of akosia ansa no e brutal.
Akosia heavy.
E brutal. Akosia mama chi no e brutal papa edwuma foni ni a. Obi e brutal but mama chi a Wendy. Mintia gift is your own me yekeleke.
Uchi ame onza yende yenka.
Da bi da say omudi yenimu omuda danti. Yenimu ayenimu nti mama chi omni a ramintia super e brutal papa super. Osi nyame adoma week u bebe fie enti me expect so bebe fie. And now super got James or bebe fie. And no bisa oje permission for us. Why? No bisa me say. Unwie.
Oh, I'm fine.
Enva. What did that me? Hey. There's no kind of time the gigs over ba.
To my order.
Hey.
Uncle Enim.
Super some war. I'm off from monitor show from afar. Entry be monitor show from afar. Atrás some microphone monitor. I dey see I trust over the task. You know, you can't stop a moving train. Oh yes, your bank account kasa nyeg di drabi. You be any competition. Yami adman de say abe kodeu. Abe kodeu.
Yeah, ni abe kodeu.
Abe kodeu. Uni pa bet name. K Brown bet name. Tinda bet name no afai odeu. Ti kai sene so. But isi a K Brown ho ya ye hu kakra.
Obi on antifi akọ safari di. Mu wurem. Mo so ya mo wan wurem. Mo na ante kwa ya mo wan wurem.
See. If you got reception. Super ko de o dia ya. But ba.
What man? When I come back to the Bible, you want to get much.
Super, I never quite ever said, of course, we won't go to Kuberu here. No video, no pussy. I know I can't say about where I walk about 15 kilometers, 16 kilometers. I'm not from her. Ufi, shoe fabric or Anantia Babesiako.
Safari.
Uncle Heshimo could trap Marco Tokubi 5 city and Nancy by Edma.
And the landing, most of by foot.
Save with the car 3 days.
Most minute 2 months and Nancy. I call landing. When you say, right. Zuba
Sambo, the kind of association. Hey, Zuba, I'm in common about Chroma Pound. So ni pay so na the ayana ye no ni pana ejina. Oni pana na ejina, oni pankwa na ejina. Na super message is about. Message never not there.
Odim. Mo GM abaso.
Okay.
GM heavy. Heavy. Pop.
Latest Evana.
Latest about. I say on the neighbor could do any commentary number. Now I say nenum sania commenting here both it and fiti last week bad near neighbor no and a free food. Free lunch. Lunch and master now what book
hey yeah producer never go to you
now I said you are not got Tony baby
okay
or to the chill out
okay
said no say chill out
okay
on my sports team no bia you ready
on sports no dia
sports team need me
yeah he did go 25 only pa casca bless
oh now and you know GM heavy papa just there I see today coming through what I will buy free food from chill out and drinks for the first team.
Yes. Mane brutal.
Anya Bella ice na vodka mix na. Yes, I know na me pay. So all pe pineapple no.
Yeah, pineapple no. Yes.
No na senior nya lemon no na papa fresh so nya orange na.
Yes.
There's a flavors na fa. Na me ma fa vodka mix no.
Yes.
And they kura about 18% alcohol mix in woman no.
Oni pe man.
Jira mo no
Vanilla
water.
Yes, and
vanilla water. Na wa ko ni vanilla water. Na ko ni mi no. GM baby I be no pay. Enchi e ban tem
so obeba
you never could
do no Jam Patrick 3 until no Patrick we see man we see why 3 that's all kind of no carry them not on the round
level about sir
our level
so also no transfer ko the round so toss
yes
the juma so ani no on transfer ko ndi no nya ayi bia me nim that fa go sir
they all kind of no carry them oh can that's so it's why that you got if you kind of no carry them
born at 3
if
you feel be 2 you know say ya kwa ba na say
it's why ya kwa ba
answer ya kwa
dabi also ya kwa ya jini ya kwa edit to kan mu ye wie first half an ya ye because ye wie na boss 7 na ya sa oni ba abo na nipa nyo
oh okay James say ya sorry so pe ye make you order no
You make your order.
No from chill out.
Okay.
Oh. Send numbers in there. No,
numbers.
Akobode.
Ono
betina mu.
Na de obetina sa.
Zuba.
It's some of you. The Ghana Football Association. Ukopiemu ewo eye the presidency a nipa ba akopɛ. Hey! Just George no you know. O me George film.
Say no na say Abdul Salam Janenum sa. Janenum sa na e frɛ Janenum sa.
Oh, super. Aba me fe boy no am fe ehi. O ehi, super ehi. Enche ehi. Oh, super ehi. Super interview so because my sister man for 11 o'clock ni wait. See be twa ho aba. The Black Quest no so gina akogidi
against Rwanda.
Yes.
Yakwa away. Na ye ne Rwanda tumi abo.
Kigali Pele Stadium.
Facility.
Hey!
Yakobo sa game one out de tutu ye de.
Allah blush.
Yakechi kuranti Zuba. Ode yanko dia boa from ka to na ba ye de fi 7 ato.
Hi, now let me share my wildlife experience with you at Safari Valley Eco Park. On our arrival, we were greeted by experienced tour guides who took us through an orientation on how best to enjoy the experience. We were surrounded by wildlife from the moment we entered the Eco Park. We saw zebras, sable antelopes, crown cranes, maras, silky chicken, emus, wallabies, deer, ponies, and so many animals. We watched the animals roam freely in their natural habitat, undisturbed by our presence. Our tour guide told us so much about the wildlife, their behavior, and how to interact with them. I even fed them. We also went fishing. Then we took a break to have lunch in the beauty of the open space. All of this fun and activities for a starting price of 250 cedis, and it's free for children below 6 years. As the sun began to set, it was time to go back home, but not before our sunset dinner by the campfire. We've had a thrill of a lifetime, and I can't wait to visit again. Safari Valley Eco Park, bringing you closer to nature.
Tontonte yenum nsane efadwen ne efadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho dendenden tonti na 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi biato T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom.
Take a sip and taste the flow. Life it be hard sometimes, but let it go.
Feel the flow for your patio. Bellas to get your feet on the floor. It's Bell Ice. You feel it burn. You feel it burn. Take a sip of Bell Ice. You feel it.
Jiwo Bell Ice Lemon, Pineapple, Orange, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer in one pop peppy. Na enjoy. Kaise, Bell Ice, a PET plastic bottle mono, and 8% alcohol, and a Bell Ice Vodka Mixer, and can mono, and also 18% alcohol. Nomninyansem, one toma nipa, only in fear to watch it, and sesa a pim for num. FDA, Ajidridian Kratoi Atom. Bell Ice, Mephilia.
Another quality product from Bell Aqua.
Usika semen koyana quick credit siasia say sika pe ennafo intina yabasa ye becheche wo yam bosia bon hyehyɛ yɛn ho wotumi bɔ bosia wo yasua ye if you 1000 Ghana cedis edeko na ne wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia sɛ wo betu susu wo hia awowa yɛn gisike bia nto ho wo nsanso hia sɛ wo ne yɛn bebue futuo bia quick credit ɛwɔ hɔ ma wo sɛ ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye edwuma foforo ase ana sɛ ye school fees ana po eyeye wo sumi edwuma ye phone so ye wo bi mamo na bom say yem mobosua ewo internet so afen so omanti kakrobia batan Bank of Ghana and sawo jumedie yimu enti tutumri kana frey was 0302-200-390 and 0596-920-833. Quick credit, lending made simple. Kaise jumedie yin shishaye kakra wo ho.
Ayiko. Me mamu nyina ayiko. Me makana for ayiko. Ya from Nana Kwame Perry. Ubeti me from the finest and meme nyina ka chue ne me. Ayiko mra ye dwumade fufuo bi kra eba wa kwam e wo koman 97.1 radio so efiti joda ekosi fiada. Pramoto pepepe me kira mide ekosi 2 pm. Ye de nkomo mra be bro. Apomudin sem afe ye bedigwa na fe ya kansem ekoso. Mo mudi o ma woda ene me nche na me no enka na feferfe e wo radio so. Kayo eye ayiko no agye me say yeah ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
Carry another, you know say I be complete.
Yeah, ya from Nana Kwame Perry enemy share
Carry another, you know say I be complete.
Yeah.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's
all right, young corner for Fisherman's so Jumedian so and farmers and the family are still Common Radio 97.20 Catroni and song country as a flight to Ayena Muria and Common so answered and for their going to be so joining live for Facebook. Now I drop a comment YouTube so yes now I drop a comment oba now I comment one like Kenabwa now my biasono I come a beauty a few money tefino my answer can yes live on Common Radio 97.1 some Dawson yes no ana dane dina ya bo bon se Pythagoras to uofia na wenya de etseso katwa idro santicopation in panimcotiasis in the stars yanshen komana se enfama ba man fa se no enfama enso nyame atoba se upebe papa didi yes upebe papa didi pa and also baby a udidi wi a obenya bibie de gu akoma so a honma no eye enso nyame atoba na any kasem ense ebo 7 am ana patututu na wo mu ebia nkomane so enhyeda nye fidi agro aduane asoto se opefuo obekkonse yes face the wall emutu light soup ene enama udobia and also in katenkwan abenkwan ebunebunu a yes enwa wom no o danweni ekopiemo enso nyame atoba obenya bi edidi na boa na mai bia so no etimi ekama obenwu mo e manfi new road ne so yes behind apostolic church no from 0242 017 553 0242 017 553 and command so enshada anya fidi agro wedidi awie no open super pa itself adwama so nsuo bia ka wasem no Vena Water na Vena Water sa oye program and also oye engagement party programs outdo bia opese 7 suwa enom Vena Water ne nika semba kwa ewom se Ghana Medical Association wamo aboma baso and also ISO wamo aboma baso and command so enshada anya fidi agro yanshan command say intempa nyame adoma onim se ko PM or the Ghana Premier League match day 1 two outstanding game one more and 24 HSC betimi a 2 matches no dey fio and Theatre of Dreams FC Trafie na wo atom sa area friend Nations FC and no 3 p.m. Theatre of Dreams also and okopiem ewa compa kwa ataka and abubo kwa ne dine mediama Trafie na wo any Accra Lions area rentam so wo mo HSC dama bianom wo mo ebetimi edefene wo mo Ghana Premier League title na and command so enshada anyo for the agro into Ghana Premier League 2 matches and Etoja Dreams FC and Nations FC Mediama Sporting Club Trafie now on Accra Lions area rentam so and okopiem match day the Black Queens of Ghana wo mo age na konom Kigali Pele Sports Stadium hormone and womo any Rwanda Emano area rentam so 2024 AFCON qualification match womo ehwese dama biano and womo ebetimi actually Rwanda manom etimi edioma sem ediamomo kama edmo ena okopiema the head coach edma the Black Queens madama ne din Edinor Hotel yene din komo enem so far ohwe campa since amukopiemum ewo Kigali no boy nkoma akra dina ebo efio ediba ahead of nyame adoma ne game a mo ne eye Rwanda mba no rentam so.
In the King's Palace Stadium, and we had a short preparation. We flew here with half of the team Sunday. Some players they still played on the weekend and arrived yesterday. So we had yesterday an easy session with half of the squad. Today, final session already with the full team. It was bringing the focus on the tactical objectives, getting used to the AstroTurf. It's a bit new because we always play on grass, but we like it because we are a possession team and want to dominate the game always. So when the ball is rolling quick, we do like it. So for tomorrow, yeah, we of course it's need to be smart in our decision who we bring on the pitch. It's a new regulation, so we are only allowed here to bring 18 players. With 3 substitutes, so it's a bit the question who is fresh, who is in championship rhythm. So those criteria are quite important to bring the squad on the pitch. So we have some good substitutes on the bench that we can add something to the game. We are pretty convinced that we're going to win the game tomorrow. We have a good mood, as you saw behind me, and we have a good focus also. We know what our job is, and so we will have a
and the Osha Madam and the Dean and hope so. And come on, bro, 4 can in ya, baby, Ninia, and it's a Yamyadman there, Omugema, one more any random ban ever in time. So make sure say, at least no one more ever to me, Eddie Rini, Ediama, a your mind conquer Ghana, and command so answer that and your video grow. No real pair, and Evelyn Bedu, I say, Yamadama Biane, Nenita so, as so no ebetiabo, a young man qualifies our AFCON. Now the first time over opinion, will be making sure say, no, at all costs, no, when you go crana, the impact in the game, no, ebetiabo team, no.
This challenge and me as a player, and so I think this is my first AFCON qualifiers, and I'm much prepared and ready to deliver and make sure the team go through this stage, you know. So we just in winning mood, making sure say we are because of Cameroon boards now, and good results now. I say.
And when you come out cry, Evelyn Bedu deba, only so no started tree na, first time yeah, oh we no de, brofun kakra, obe we no de tree no, and so once I Ghana for there, ebane sana ye puto shegu but no have to ka brofo solid, onu zo no de tree na, yeah ko bisa na, no have to na on this eh. This I don't know come out cry. Ebusia boy ba ye the Emma in the tier 4. Na bo ni din Eddie Jennifer. Eye kujo eso you be kakra say yes. And bra, echi no be do a year camp. Now be make sure say dama bia no de coach no e be chere ne omso betime bia possible. Normally kunimdie ediaba.
Come together. I arrived yesterday, and it's been a really good day to have a recovery session in the morning. I think for me, what I've seen, everybody is ready. We just need to keep doing what we did before. This is not an easy team, as everybody would think, but every team is different, so we are ready. I feel like I am ready, the players are ready, and we're ready to just continue winning and get into AFCON and also the Olympics.
And seems like a Croman, I guess, no, to kind call I'm on the Cobobo and Crab out to Sabrofun and Mupu. And Jennifer could you cano, you know, one thing you know about crowd. Only pay our interview, you know. Ebazamwa, and when you come out, Eboba, you the Emmas in a Tifonti Kai so as a run number ne, one more ended the blockers of Ghana any idea in terms of way, 2024 Women's AFCON qualification match. One more HSA Biasano Ebetime Kama. Kasimen Goder coach, Edman Nation Subsea, Adam Koma Kradiaba, Sane, Kowadi Kowala, Creme de la Creme, Dream Subsea. Amo fi a year, Abrankesi, Ababe Piemoase, Ababe Dimasam, Omesh Samukra, Omso Mesh, Oman Samukra 50.
Yeah, but what boy did you get? Yeah, but I no more top league compete. And I'm not here. I don't want to talk much. What can I match? After the match, you know, match.
And when you come out crack, Kasimen Goder coach, Edma a year Uko Piema. Nation Service Yodia Bar, Yadi Emma Zereti for CK Asari Ventures. Yes, say open a soft drinks, also and alcohol beverages, bottled water, canned drinks in the Piano, or down we need Eco PM or CK Asari Ventures. Ubenyebi ewo masoye, ubenwamum ewo manfi, eye kriapem, near CSC, Asari Dano pe, Metro pe, Obem CK Asari Ventures, one more, Obetimia friend piniform, ewo 020 396 7574 020 396 7574 and I say 0246 524746 and command so and shada and your free agrodmo na uborema onim sandra and the Ghana Football Association and been for the a year shortlist 10 back to ja na manfu bra to mwas your monitor from a first dama biano the Ghana Football Association a year presidency no why na obetimia complete unipa ye to boss ye hwema ye uzo nipa nko and air contest Yanko Piamum Ewo official list of air candidates for the GFA elections 2023 way a RFA a chairman position na Oko Piamum Ewo Greater Accra Regional Football Association Samo a Mabobri onu di onwa kata onwa onwa brasa menkwa Saso ena Oko Piamum Ewo Central Region Football Association Robert a Duncan and also a Abdul Yati Enti omu mienunum ana dama biampini forhwe asi betimi atobako so aba okopiam ewo Western Region Ghana Football Association Simon de onu nko onu Western Region de onu obet Simon obeye yaza saso ana Northern Region Football Association Mohammed Abu Hamza wanum ana pinifo ehwese biaso betimi akonkan Eastern Region yes unipa nkwa the land of Azamwa, ono di obo edwuma di obobi but ye from your mom peke of course Volta Region opinion din ade Mr Daniel BA Brownhofer Region Ghana Football Association Dixon Che Eredria Dr Charles Osei Salso ena Meshak Asante Ameyaw enti okopiemo bia omi nipa bako abasa Upper East Region Salifu Shaibu Zida Salso ena okopiema and Abel Azogo, akwediede, Abel, Azogo, Upper West Region, and Jaja, Daudi, Saso, and Alco PM, Kumasi, there's a Ajimosen to the onward, wa John Manfa, Papa, Manfa Infantua. Now, Okopium, our official list of air candidates for the GFA elections 2023, way a executive council position, saying this yet opinion din at the Kingsley or say Bonsum, Edia to me PMB, Nana Safu Odro, and Super anyway, no fast, no, Super no fast. Nana Safu Odro, Frederick Echamvo, over.
I used to add down for Fredachi.
Anthony Kwesi SOE Kambi also ena Ranford Ebi eso Aborim also ena osi opinion din the Edmond Kobna Aka Edmond Aka so Kambi
some text
Kambi okay ana Tio James Kwesi Apia yes Okambi
Esco,
yes.
A council
position, yes.
I mean, missing a more for Wako.
Nana.
Randy Abbey,
Nedim.
Randy Abbey.
Randy Count. Raffle. Shim. Randy Count. Randy. The way Esco Diano. One Shabakona Becono or Nidime Wumbi.
The way
executive council position. No. Anna Bacono, way, okay. One Shabewa, way. A presidential position for Ghana Football Association president position. Kate Edwin Simon Okreko Onunkwano executive council position for the One Women's Football Club ESCO position. Madam Gifty. Yes, Gifty ya owakosi ya. No contest.
Where Brekum Chelsea
yes. Berry ladies.
Well, Samson or any Sansu Brekum Chelsea vice president.
Hey!
Gift your warrior boaji.
Okay. My uncle PM for the third division. Position Mark Addo, Samuel Addo Enim, Eugene Noble, Saso and Gideon Fosu, Alexander Ababium. That's it. And one no. Johnny Bankam.
Oh, you can't swim him so I'll call you. Man out of lines.
I'm
fast one quan answered it.
Nango the one shot when you need
what the other one to another one of Fatusu. Now, of course, when so I'll call you.
Okay, super. FIFA. Okay, FIFA, dear was it. Okay, and one no. And one
far back on Fatusu. Because Macado, until we
executive council position or the Atos
for the 6 Premier League clubs, ESCO position. Kingsley Ousu Bonsu,
yes.
Nana Safo drew me offer. That be what that's uncle.
Where I breach the village.
What they are to so make kind where you have so.
Nyama
FDM so and FDSM.
Different in the
so. And yet they way.
So what is that what I do the
Massa, yeah, can't dear what you have so. Me am offer Nana Safo you. Frederick Achampo, Anthony Kwesi Obin, Tony Obin no.
Yes, Tony.
Until Ransford no Ransford Amate Abe. Randy Abe no. Randy Abe di wom. Agabe mwa.
And okay, and family so run. Oh, the full name yeah, Randy no. We so much so.
Ransford Anate Abe.
Okay.
Okay. Since ana we there. Onyina Asenso. Edmond Kwabenaka. James Maele Kwesi Apia. Ana Eliani Amande. Ano former Carolina United PR no. Ana Rafael Tewia Jamra Raf. Ewo mutina. Ho na be yere omo yinsia. Nti omo ye ba ku mienu miensa na enum. Hey, Tuba.
Am ye 10 no anamwa.
Omo bo se bi wa chire ho. Executive Council position, Premier League clubs, ESCO position. What the first one, bra? And I can't know why. Now the first one is Swaba. Now, actually, no. The way a Premier League clubs, so you be in Sia, I was any pair where he had a executive council, no so.
That's a super way predictions in a simple.
And I will Division 1 League clubs, and you Yimi and Son.
Division 1 they no mu yimi ansa.
Sa omo ye
omo ye 5. Okay.
How do Ado Samuel Enimado Eugene Noble ni na be yiro.
Zuba ono be yire bat.
Division 1 there no.
O ba nim say den ankrofo mienu bi wo mu dia.
Why no why?
Oh super to be Makado Samuel Enim. These two people there. The fighting ba be Eugene Gideon and Alexander.
Na say Alexander Abebio no wo no. Nso atere no. Ono so matise so ko MP.
Zuba on mo battle no ye
Abeyere Premier League dia no so bayere.
Zuba Premier League dia no. Me ha mani a Fedachi. Obetimi aborem. Is akwesi apia nde no because is your okowe you Sudan. Is our signing am Sudan.
Coach Sudan.
Your Sudan national team official 3 years was signing.
Where dey kotoko ejuma.
Enti on to me fi Sudan ho embe ye esco ejuma. Ebe difficult kakra. And obetimi aye. Ade. Too bad you. Because Sudan FA official announces the appointment of Kwesi Appiah.
And then as soon as you throw the page say I don't know go to you know.
They just what I did say.
But stupid still na saw a coach but obetimi akọ.
Super could be obetimi akọ. But so obe renew adwuma no na adwuma be adwuma no ho wa ase na ya asem.
Mbaba bebere wa na se obi aye no private work. Zuba obi aye no private work. Randy Abi onye journalist. Dey be sort shows.
Okay. Ba super hormone dey.
Na team no sanye dey be na obo match. So obetimi aye.
Offer.
Me offer Safo.
Obetimi enya.
Oduro Safo.
Obetimi enya. Obetimi aborem.
Me offer nkwa aye nti ase.
Randy Abi ebe burim simple.
Randy be wuram simple.
On there. Rafa no ono Tewia no.
What afa Premier League for no to so.
Tewia no. Oh, good. Edmond Aka
from Samatex.
No so Charlie. Super boy, my say recently be ehun edwuma obo. So ono na. Is it last season? Ya born in
no aha no Premier League no.
Minyi 6. Super minyi 6.
Ela dey wada be kum you.
Yeah, Predator 6.
Obi ade akoto Premier League o ma me division ayo regional elections so me pe Premier there for Premier there no to so mame.
Say
oh yeah lunch ni me you dey free maza.
Siba ma di fa ho akire no isra.
Whether
e wa na ho akire no.
Ada we hwe akire. E be kwa aba.
Oh whether there say enra ye point am ka chen say bra.
Anu ya bon kra no fi akoyo. Anwumre no.
Whether na aka. Go asimesi there say ono.
Ati whether for Premier League aye reps no fa to so na
executive council position.
Yes. Premier League. Executive Council position Premier League na yendi enkomo emfa honom 6 na eba omo 10 6 na efi mo ba na 6 no metimi me kase boba o twa info na 6 you 6 a omo be qualify na eba to aba na mo 6 no
Randy Abbey 1 2 Nana Safo draw 3 Fredachi 4 eba be ye Teria Super me hun some different we will tell we betumi aba be ye. And only a 4.
Yeah, Raf Jamra.
Yes.
Raf Beko.
Yes. And Kingsley or say Bunsu. Not the last one no. Aba be ye said Monaka. And one on
so fa kwesi apia.
Dabi man fa nanka.
Hey super.
So ban fa dabi.
Bipa nyo.
Oh so kwesi apia.
Osoma man coach Black Stars experience kotoko adwuma ya de amano.
Hwan adwuma.
Kotoko.
Oh super ja. Sebastian no me yimi we no.
Na me no me yibi.
Yibi.
Betuma yi me yi kan yi me wofa.
Okay, wofa.
Yana Safo draw.
Yana Safo draw.
Me yi me wofa.
Na last time unipa yeko yi unipa ohum ya he. Me uza me ne me no na unze kila me enu unipa kila jina wa say me fine san ka oba no.
Ba okoya ba ya na. Me say oba over so how permission masa ya sala o
omne ko da to kana
ti ana Odro Safo arope yenchia no entino na Odro Safo to me obeko
first one.
Yes. Samsona Randy Abbey 2 onu so beko Fred Achi
3
Fred beko
on there
Raf Jamra
okay
Raf beko
okay 4 Akatu.
Hey, Juba.
2.
Tony Obin.
Tony Beko.
Anthony Kwesi Obin.
Okay.
Obeko. Nesa Akabako. Now super. To see ano I between Iloni Amande, James Kwesi Apia, Edmond Kwabanaka, Onyena Asenso, and Afi so Kingsley Osebunsu.
Yo.
Hey. Juba, I want the Bakubia, but my top 5 no.
Top 5.
Yes, my top 5 no. Fred Achi, Anthony Obin, Randy Abbey, Raf Jamra, and Co. And I feel me offer. Ana Safo draw.
Room na enye ya santi. Juba, City 74 Daroma. The new food say yari outdoor our body mo kidney disease, liver disease also and gonorrhea, asthma and let me see HIV, COVID-19, fibroid and yari bia wo ni pedrian mo unya T74 no betimi aboa na ma bia so etimi aye kama betimi afrem peniform 0246 07 34 98 0246 07 3498 and I say 050 162 8931 It's way T74 Saso na Bellies Yemfa Asidano Enfama Omo Rauko Pima Isi afa Edwaman so a Womo ejo me na papa Ezan say Ohwe eye drinks assault to a womo edi aba Obia ejo matum Nenika sem ne say Weze de bia meka doctor ka say de India at ne body no else yenya eye 1 or 2 little alcohol Indian pin for euthanasia se Bellies na omo ye no also omo de eye alcohol kakram edi frana ma bibia so itime kama nti unya Bellies ni binoma obenso ni pedua no ebino betime gina so na enika sem ne say alcohol no 5.5 to 18%. Yes, 5.5 to 18%. It really tells you say unya lemon, orange, pineapple, ne other flavors in ya enoma, and bit me aboa, na my biasono, etimi aye kama. Yakobon shop no nyam kese obi o monitor show from afar. Katronia as I'm still air live on Okuma Radio 97.20 tema up to the hour of air 12. Na abuan my biasono, etimi aye kama. Bidion the writer commentator Baido Solomon of Zuba.
And I JP birthday.
Oh,
John Peter.
Oh,
yeah, we see JP happy birthday.
Okay.
When we saw Kuma and JP, baby, I'll be on a pay happy birthday. and so no confirm na JP Manchester United fan kese pa nti na no ba bi no se no be di na fa bi ayo no anasem
super NCA
kra
ni ba ya rezo ga ko
ni pa yare so kwa ku ani Manchester United nti no JP baby abia Okuman team ni nyina sports team no ana afin so no Okuman brand ni nyina yes yeah we so happy birthday nyame sure papa na ondo mo no nya okese nhyira na ana mesre enso na de abantu no John Peter Nyako baby I will be ano arope happy birthday and confirm na say na JP birthday ni dey say otubi bo wure mo chill out na JP ko didi enti JP wure mo chill out aduane abese udi no ebi ewo ho we no fried rice with chicken sounds on a jollof rice with chicken, plain rice with gravy sounds on a plain rice with vegetable stew, assorted fried rice I feel so maza assorted jollof rice it will be sounds on a French fries with chicken. Ningina no chill out eatery and pub. Akofa eba pan benkuni tilapia. You be benkuni okro stew. Sounds on a benku and tilapia light soup. And I feel so tilapia and that's a good light soup. Yawo. Sounds on a emutoni cutting crime. Yawo. Instead you papa dear ube didia and ho and chill out eatery and pub. Baby girl on a bar. Fani pie fani kwa tena se no nyudwo no ondi di engu account mu na afin so no onso san fani ko fie enti ano a ene chill out eatery and pub ano ana me kamfo area ma open pizza spring roll san so na shawarma club sandwich ana afin so no drinks akika wo nyina na oko chill out eatery and pub obajojo won form onso neat all fair na say udidi nyina no uti Okuman show no enso the found na say bibia enso no atimi ai kama odwirei ohwa na yinyina yeko na afinsu yakudi de bano banchene banjisen bayere anybody ampesi a nkontrome stew de nyina no chill out enso no eyebi ona kati fufu ana opedia ukọ chill out eatery and pub onsa ebeka yewe kopona kwapem ekufuru road no so pe ohwa ana ne yewo eye new police station no nchemu ana ne chill out eatery and pub enso ewo opeso make others obetuma friend was 0554 039 939 0554 039 939 and I face 0534 989 227 0534 989 227 now so on a chill out eatery and pub and so no indi and come de bia makasima akoda no ahomasua ehunhia obano se opesua de na no ahomasua etima kọ nanim no ejina baabi a obeto books any books a auto Ediama Korano, and instead of pay make for Monke books and stationery, and so no at me Ediama, say upper test books, exercise books, pens, pencils, erasers, calculators, A4 sheets, notebooks, and I think so no a year bano teachers notebooks, Nina be and so no Monke books and stationery. Okwa unsa Rebecca ebi. Yawo akropone kwapem a year old court no nchemu pay and yawo udu old quarter and that's old council wa. Bon se court no ewo ho ana abulusan bi wo ho ana ne monke books and stationery yanso no ye wo free was 0551 829 365 0551 829 365 ana fe 0550 609 656 0550 609 656 ana fe 0207 225 048 0207 225-048. Now also on Monke books and stationery and so on into me any and come CK Asari hardware. See dine was yes you the mum a castle be a dining and a diner home. Taos Alberto Nina own here into the Persania may out there Ukopimo L CK Asari hardware on so on sa can say POP cement, skimming powder, fiber, binding wires, plywood, plasterboard, Omega channel. Corner angle, corner mode, and I feel so and that why everybody and see. Then you know ebi and so no our year CK Asari hardware. Okona so ya niama mabubo sui edisi dine disi dine my dine and so no on so no benyam at the free CK Asari hardware. Now so akoto at the free war. The chief crying no our cropon equipim opposite the old courthouse no courthouse opposite pay and then so no CK Asari hardware and so open chiremu bia ofre no efa 0553 544 257 0553 544 257 and 0241 386 379 0241 386-379. Now 0576 0576 643 245 0576 643 245. Now fin so no only no Edding come on. Mami nkwa man so na fin so many touchy ahen tender and so no entumi any and comment if I when send him na bibia and so na yakama eno done at the Ghana Football Association and so me etumi a list of nipa ye beto mo so aba amomotumi form the executive council and I feel so the regional football level so no more be dia ni nyina e de ba bonten na many tender any and komo and so na mfa ho era tachi ahen na pay memo akwaba emfa mbra Okuman radio eso
le je so ahen wa
na bacho bibia kama
nyame ene mo mpae bo bibia kama
me yen komo menim say wahu official release the Ghana Football Association and elections committee no dey aba adefa enipa eni of omoye confirmed official say ye kwakoto omoso aba unwo list no surprises be ewumu adema
that be minim dada ti answer nyame wanwa because I dey ma follow events no you know and they over RFs you know out of 10 no remove 7 echo on the post only 3 will be contested for oko the premiership so Deeper 11 the fall but Mimi Alaja can be ya disqualify the captain and women football also give T or and on the post and okay division 1 so Deeper 5 a contest I be motor to be meaningless that
wakoye football administrator na unim ye game no looking at the executive council positions Premier League clubs no Fanipa 5 at the free and Ocha listener omoye 11 and so no wine me can say Gianca 5 for no Jesus wine a bit to make it a top 5 from the Premier League position.
It's too early to do that. Next week of a more list, it's too early to do that.
Me who a lot of experienced people, Uche Nana Odro Safo, Ewumu Fred Achi, Yura Tony Open Mo, and Randy Abimua owns a lot of experience. Do you think you maintain this experienced people here about boy football? No?
Oh, a whole lot of them will be maintained, but the people here on between. But now because it's too early. Open next week, be more the full.
Ultra the new inclusion at Bihu Elioni Amande Ewumu Anna James Kwesiapia. Were you surprised that James Kwesiapia and the title etume
what do you say? You can't executive council already are Kotokwane house. The rep beba. But as you say better more so it's another thing. You know, Chabedua, Oma Yemomuni Chabedua. And we are going to separate the men from the boys.
Nipa bi say right friend Fred Achi anka memma the football people no ento aba emfama no esan nyama bia even he being the chairman Edma the Black Meteors no management committee na memma yento aba emfama esan say
obi o ka say bia na nipa no onye well informed no ba bo muso nche national teams no the GFA is the custodian of national teams. But Abai and the board national teams to Hobra. It is a name of Kuya, you can't blame the management. I don't want to hear the yardstick to judge for the Chidia. And now I'm well informed. Well, for the Chid that I know, no, a back Ghana footballer, what paid the dues super.
Okay.
As a match commissioner, as former CEO of Ash Gold, which is why you do Bankasa. It is a national team Kwana. Yerbe judge Chidia, Nandipano, or Babo Munche.
Sana can I think say one make 2 points no clear to us. But me am offer Nana Safo Drew. The man forgot what Trawa Chanka Uncle no bin so Emra almost on your way again.
Minia, that's the Yam who will be a Siba. What just 1 term, or buy a channel? 1 term. If you buy a channel, it's him. Oh, Nina, election say no be a camp or one. No be a kasa na camp or na o kasa ro be a camp or. No more can do support ni na no. The ewu papa camp. Njanya me wan. But and do we are going to separate the men from the boys.
Okay, ewu papa dey say.
Na say wa we come to no. Game changer and a roof papa.
But you're a tender. I even on the presidential slot now. Keto Kirku Senior and Rana Okano say as far as say to me disqualify Georgia free and say Ket Echo on post. Senior George team the two just so among penny and ya Ket Ebeko on post no and they and a down Ket Echo on post. Then I was to say team Georgia free bet me I so far as and they listen about Bontia Georgia free and count.
And the last resort to me a cash. That's the last resort. But we share the kind of vegetable buy and the events now. A bedding. Even cash can attend the decision. In the years of the over Boaket, Ninia, Ninia Ketuano. Now come 2028, you know. If you still wish that, then he come. They say it's too late in the day. The horse is out of the stable.
I thought now, Okasa, we just say, who throw support at the market too.
Oh, nothing from the word go. Get a game changer. From 2019. Me a game changer. And I over the three ball regions in Israel. I'm a campaign coordinator for Kent.
Now, Ekobasa sending George and then Crawford copium or cast. Young fan sir. You knew the BCDM at the free moment. Predetermine any outcome, but Omuko Piemo, our year cast. Now, Ekobasa cast see you. Osha Elections Committee, Juma Mode, George Efaso, and Sweni and Jay Intino, George Emrano Majina Batuana. Hadrian.
Just 5 endorsements in the grand dancing. 5 out of the lot. The shape premier team Division 1 66 class and women football. Just 5 class to endorse you, you could do things. But you know, what to try a beshie. A crop will be also not look at shape most of the crop. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, you'll be at home, Maduro. A Homana. On the channel. You know, as you mean with that advantage there, where there's a contest, Kurt is the new kid on the block, and nobody can take it from him. Whoever contests Kurt, you know, a very disaster. Yeah, a very disaster. Because say I did not over Congress. You call Congress, you know. You know. It was written all over the place there. A very I can move your crown contest ticket. Well, he on your standing ovation. It was a total endorsement. On the channel. The other camp on the crown. I'm going for the doing our crown. Sorry, P. As I Congress. Yeah, and you know, a free beer bar, you would probably do. After about you name of one say, okay, I'm going to say, you're meeting, sir. A name of what, sir. In the end, the above football party, Kate is unbeatable.
Yes, you my buying Abba.
Oh, yeah. And you know, so second, maybe in the term, you know, I don't think that all the contest it will be an effort in futility.
Then I young go check the Division 1 reps no chairman, and I said, I mean, call the regional level, no, which I RFI now.
There's a category regions for the contest.
Yes. Do you think the other 7, no?
Yeah.
Me too.
It's a carbon upper east and a central region. And I'm going to have a contest.
Do you think that the 7 now, yeah, amount fun challenge the Nipa or no?
Yeah, they've been more challenging, but they were disqualified. I want to say, I disqualification. Georgia, some kind of echo. Yeah, disqualified, Elijah can be. I refuse to say disqualified the top 5. 5 regions. But Obia and Kanko. Obia can, that Georgia free. Elijah can be a disqualified. The same scenario. Nipa went also until Emma almost just covered Dr. Tony Owen. He's the board chairman, but was just signatory to the club. Neither is he a director of the club. The same scenario. Until paying for say, Pokora chamber said you know SNY. In case you could be the other one. Meaning our both.
Okay. Tana, watch your margin about BB so maybe semi find out. I mean, you're clear to it, but maybe say Umamin Chirimu. Okay, you're Tony Oben or Anthony Kwesi Oben. No cray.
Yeah.
Also on your signature to I had a club we go for medium ago. And the club of Bainam or the bar on the executive council position.
Or the media man ever. Uji. Say we team be take it ever. And our more endorsement and the ticket that you are coming on. It's a different thing altogether.
Okay.
Or the media man take it ever. But who come media man when you signature to the club?
Okay.
I know that doesn't mean anything.
I say Kwesi Appiah or the Kotoko never, but okay, very well. Wama yenya want to see. Entino da bani entwanim preparation team cat preparation no so far at the say na amoko no post na say delegate kura so no animu nsada anya fe.
Oh. I'm going for once anya fe kura no post ani samo. Nti anya some of the car beba. Ana delegate the car never no. Nti GF this time GF it will be a transport and way man allowance.
Now more the feeding crack on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. There's a delegate now almost kakra transport and feeding there.
No fear.
Oh, okay. Era tender out of me and I see him send our kind from next week. Remember now what me my nipa ususu say almost no a bit a room no mabe boama Ghana football and so no etumi akona nim no wo de amai.
Thank you.
All right, into no touchy ihen ono football administrator kese and so no kroma dodo na friend tender anani ono so adi nchiremu kakra edi Abraham edi afa the list the Ghana Football Association and so no etumi edi aba and so no enho na nti agosia fresa zuba kusansa no wa no fresa. Senior new tower, senior, young ram the Ghana Football Association akachi Champions League and common the numeri ye be wuram. Ocha list aba neya Ghana Football and as official list of candidates for the Ghana Football Elections 2023 presidential position for the GFA president position Kurt Edwin Simon Okreku Nkwana ewo executive council position for the one Women's Football Club and say mano kwa ye fa ba kope afima football no aba executive council no so ano gifty eye afia our mentor aboaje kan ba say Mrs. Ntino na je say our mentor na she wono ono penso na ba yentwa these two and say na abetwa the other one Kurt Okreku ono post
ege ebechi ya tie fu na unse ya de kan aka se Ghana say kuku football bo oni ani ma won pass Koko football bo uni ani ma won pass na se hia na ewo sugu na numa obeka se opportunity afi baby a won so fi wan we ye den ho no ba kwose na se na utie ye will attend from day one alen kwa ni en charge se be ko ye be ko pick form se kura ye na the whole regionals ni na e declare say catch to go second time. It no me on opposed no nya de ye me wanwa because now we decided that no matter what on opposed no beba it no we are only baby na say we have make sure say we be contest we say we ye that's the reason that we are judge we disqualify because no matter what you do no they will disqualify you because that's the reason the yetimi mo bi san only pa kono enye part of the signatures are otimi kwa san ma Ura Fred say or make sure some family contest ya we say ade won kan we make say for president of Kurt you know him that for the one say ade a one prot at what that say you should go on opposed and so be a contest no you know we have baby no ya ma kwan
I would disagree with you so can say one she say ade at what you ma kwenya so be am forms and you've heard from both sides Team George and I think Team Kurt say the confirmation and endorsement of uniforms, so no, and it may nominate Per Mrano, say the 5 na endorse Okoye 6, Bako enye signature to a club, and for a club, I don't know, ever sign any form, so no, and then you know, so already disqualified. A quite appeal, and all our words are appeal not to me, say, actually, seven still now, decision, elections committee taking, and one appeal, appeal committee, and I said the appeals committee. And so no, it me have me. You know when you plotting me,
ege. Send ya can na mra kwanzu na ya na mo na ya ati ase but me kira we say football people na wo nipa na wo Answer na wa asem be ba bonten no utie owura tender o se nsem no bi be ba bonten kwa ne wo kura wo ni mu de answer na yeden
part of the or you're close and are closer to the FA.
We are closer to FA. That don't mean say
I say media so you to get in nsem no bi.
Enti na me kira we say we are closer to the FA. That don't mean say we ba bonten a we say okura ati answer na one na asem na fa na na nkasa kura ati. It's not that one is not right.
You no so any hwehwemu wo.
But enti we be say doubt but we ntimi nka say answer bibia babia no munim nti timi say bibia kwaso bia wo ya we na me tell you say from day one you know say catch will go second time but near ye pe someone na obetima be challenge won a be challenge ne say no adwuma na ye na say then ugina on your toes we say we bibi na say obi ankwatese wa feel okay yeah we say na we na you all right but say when you be contest wa e ma we say no e we say ugina ye
there will be contest so it doesn't make it's now you know so wrong
make that be na mka say wrong ba say e ma ugina ye na mka what I say e bia say na wo one so be contest e ma push ko wanim that's the reason abasha first no nanka one war executive committee division madi no wo mo bi ahwe wontu ya bi aka but wo share contest na be mu no now we push say those wo outside nyina no obetua wonka utie George nso na George nso ma yete say those are na wo outside division one na say eba board no so enye nwa wo ni team because una wo ye team no nti una wo say oba board so nti me ba me san kofu me de musa ni pani na beden ni pattern na wo so betua moka no na nka me ba dia automatically mo be kan board no because mo na medwene so it give you a platform I also betima think ahead of near the eba because wo hold it out is understanding nti me je ni say bebua say nka ye benya contest but send you na ye ka no emra enkrata semuti ene wa yiwura George afimu no na me owura George send na meka na tenaka no onko plan number 2028 because no matter what e be kono mate say obekọ cars but enkosi hwe because e yemra asem ya mamra say nipa 5 na utie ye wura na osan ma George na there was a reason into okwasan we know there's a reason into okwasan because it's not part of that team no okwasan man no but the team owner and the team president and the friend say no kwasan money pass mercy in the basic of me wo san ma me a edusu meka che me na ma kwan but edusu so nka hwe and na kofa san sem wo nyina den aba enti meka say now president Ket ono no ko no post nim daw let me say there's no need say ye be ha ye ho ye man another chance na ye nhwe 4 more for Ket say na ye na enimu no but aya 4 more ne ba nsem edi achi na ya na ye hu cause ye ti krumu ya na ma 4 more na ne ma ye de buy esin krasi ya man 4 nti yeah say president nti president adwuma na ye Ghana had for president anya say we ye niam nti ye serebon say ya ode oye ko no post no me de na me sense eniama o hihye onfengu akwam me ise Ghana promise na ya adoso wo promise pen wo promise ya wontimi ye ntini niama ode agu akwan so ye kai se tam all by in the first year niama ode agu akwan so no oye bi wantima ye ni nyina ntina me sense obekọ on post yi eniama wantima ye no onye no fa kakra nka ho
okay
emje se ne babuya me hwe obia ya gifty
ono pe na ofi women's football otumi wuram ono pe
o hwe waya ade eke waya ade ko na nka me expect class nka me ko mo be slot 2 but o hwe executive no hwe one pen o me huni se eto sin kakra that's the reason tia ye my football na say no
the new being kasama on
that's it
in terms of numbers
no say BBC that see to abakura na e ha adwene because your bia na nkwa na wo so you fight for me ano but enye say ye benya mbia be 2 and 3 4 wo so enti enemy problem because
like next election no ke be hwe na mbia no slot no yemgbe nko bia 2 and 3
so enti wakasa eye adwuma because obakofo asem ye ya ege me nka na because wo hwe me football krumu ya eye areho but you be kwa executive meeting no bakofo na etewo
okay
emale man ma kwa ma won fa sika ne me hye football no ma me kwa won mane kwa won bura wo nyaaye
okay
enti mesere mpan fo say won hwe won so mayen na emia nso yempeja won se emia no do so ya beboa ma football nso akoso.
Okay, every pair Bible share the other elections, the RFA. On so assemble Division 1 no executive council no crown so no you be wura ni ahwe but my come for Safari Valley Eco Park and so no emfama say nei ope baabi adwudwo ope baabi atena oni abusuafo mako dwudwo na mahu nature make nature obo ade ensa no nwuma ibi wonso watumi akohwe na wahu wane so ade dia eno am ene Safari Valley Eco Park ho ana make come for enso no atumi ede ama environment no ba very neat na serene environment sound so na any accommodations and so na ho oba obetimi stay ho so we di dabako na say na watcho kra Safari a obetumi di ni nyina no Safari Valley Eco Park ho ana me come for area ma oba muado ma horo bia TV so kra na obi hu oba Safari am tamwe nyina bi and so na ho your restaurant na ade and so na ho so obetumi adidi entime come for Safari Valley Eco Park nature bra na be experience enso no ebi ope ya chikwan a ofrem 0596 914 394 0596 914 394 and I say oko safarivalleyresort.com onsa ebekan Safari Eco Park I say bringing you closer to nature. Na say ne de enso no ace.ventures ese autumn blocks into bra so pe aye hollow blocks and afin so solid blocks aye 6 inches unsa ebeka afi 5 inches aye hollow blocks and solid blocks no and also ba na so ya nsa ebeka anti blocks no dwumadi arukwa kodi ukosidam ukoye construction dwumabia na hia blocks a bra ace.ventures ya so yen ne ton blocks apapapa yen ne ton blocks a enhodin ensu ewum eba ne cement gasama yen so ye tombi into ba ace.ventures a unsam ebeka yen enso no ya so na oba kura na usika no yen nyina na ukura ya utumi tua no kakran kopem da oso betua awie na afi nso no yen so yetumi agi na ode akodi onso no ujuma ya chikwan awe kopone kwapem yes dachin eho ene ewo eye Homeata Guest House Junction no so pe eho ene ni no eye ace.ventures yewo ufidi ese yen junction na akọ clinic wo eza hwa ene ace.ventures yeso yen blocks no gua dudu bia pe no onso no onsa ebeka ofre na say a obeje oso ewo 0544 364 354 0544 364 354 afin so eba no ye prepaid so a yedi hujuma aka kire say prepaid bia menim edu memenda ozi omunya adwuma SD ni maza we no entisa fujo ida kopim kwasida anopa no nsom kopim anoyofa aye no otwe no enso no ace.ventures prepaid no ye adwuma into ba na say auto prepaid na akọbọ egususu mutana no aya na eha adwene imagine say baby gaba na prepaid adum onna osiunim obosoro akọ nti wo fie kura na prepaid ni duma ofreng a ebetuma to prepaid no ede amount na so wabo ede eguso enti freng enso no ewo ye 0534 987 122 0534 987 122 na so prepaid no yento emfama yen prepaid joint no and as access point no enso no ewo ye ekropon ekwapem eye old police station no hope and then so no yen prepaid access point no enso no etumi ewo into freya you better prepaid no enso no ede amount na bibia kama ace.ventures or see we got you sorted into the day enso and no Rooney's bookshop and stationery Rooney as brabeto books no fitness recopim senior high school yen textbooks no ebi ewo golden excellence masterman and afin so no best brain ni na etumbi eba exercise books G D1 A1 and C your teacher's notebook a teacher for amaba ebi mu ye lazy ye one pep you know to your ni na say one to no teacher's notebook papa ubeto edifi Rooney's bookshop and stationery and also no betumi ayewu lesson note no kama na also no betumi ade akochera de eba na A4 sheet diaries markers tempera and as a permanent it will be calculated say scientific ni nyina so Rooney's bookshop akofa ade aba story books crayon pencils yeton asofo mobile board no munketu ani mu akese behramara ninya so no yeto Mr Square and also your be Nataraj products say your mathematical set yes yetom eba na stamp part your writing board sounds na nenin acrylic paint no yetom eba na artist brush yes mo draw paint down on adi your brushes ni nyina bi e ya so na poster colors and also Rooney's akwakofa and so no edi aba open Rooney's bookshop echikwan your man fie kwapem eye police station any more pay nti no ɛhɔ ana Rooney's bookshop yɛn so no yɛwɔ ofrɛ yɛn fa 0249 219 599 a yɛn so yɛbɛgye wo so 0249 219 599 ana 0243 946 483 0243 946 483. Now, so in Rooney Bookshop and Stationery, and so in Ninkomo. Rooney are also learning made easier. And no, Jumedino, and so I don't know. Yeah, the best na yako na finson na not damia and so no to me at in Kaibo. I know and so to me, but we are na I'm Perry the finest and so no to me. You call Jumedino. And so no to me atuaso and so no Eddie Ama. Now say can come from one expert sounds so that and you know Tontina 74 Vera Water so eyemu and I feel so no chill out eatery and pub when you so ya say Eddie Jumedino and so no to me at the bro sounds so executive producer Yera Kwekubuatin and it's on due to sounds so na Kofi Okwari Ajiman Solomon Baidu the writer commentator MC Arano and you know DJ Weather but what the birthday I mean phantom na menko I mean for birthday no tum yeah, menko yen ready. I yen ready never was say. Papa, inti I don't so no. Inti I don't pay. Happy birthday. Enko and from Kelvin, Esiama Texan. Kelvin, Esiama Texan. And then birthday. Kelvin, happy birthday. Enko from way if you umame. I also wish you happy birthday. Sounds so na. Me anka sounds so no. Make Kelvin me so me wish you happy birthday. Inti no nyami show. No ya okasi. Nyin na be ye abofrapa. Inti no Kelvin, Esiama Texan. Happy birthday, Enko Emfa Emma. Ambua, and you find an 3 p.m. You better say near the Ghana Premier League commentary about Dreams FC and the Nations FC. Sounds so that 7 p.m. so no UEFA Champions League, the match between Bayern Munich and I feel so no Manchester United at the commentary, and so no to me at the Aba Inti and also I don't know. Yeah, sorry, no, Damia and sorry in Kaibo and Esther and the Rasta guests. And I will be at Masom Ghana, hey. Indeed, I know so no. Welcome na Nkaibo and Amanfo at the Twandia or no, and also no to me at Waso.
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM. Ye doye for ye panesanti and a ye be and tabamedia mo be biara and you may kwa say. So, per se ye born ye mo dero edema ya ye crado bra na ye.